Let me just do some. I think we're good to go, chat. What up, chat? Can you guys hear me? Is the sound good? Is the sound good, chat? Is the sound good, chat? What the fuck? Alright, okay. Chat, can you guys hear me? Okay, let others join. Then we'll start. Good morning, Bernie. Alright, what do we see here? Yeah, I have nothing on USD for USD today. That I'm not gonna look for any setup on USD CAD. I'm not sure about the bias for USD CAD today. So I'm not gonna touch it for today at least. What do we see on USD JPY? Okay, this could be a nice long right there. There's also a fair value gap right down there. By the way, chat, we hit 15K sub today. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you all for being a part of this community and hope to get 20K sub before this year ends. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna look for a setup right there. Maybe my stop loss would be right there. How much point is that? Okay, 100 pips almost. Okay, these are the level for taking partials right there. There are some equal highs right there. Let's see we can go up there. I'm going to wait until the persevere to hit and settle down, just watching for now. Today is the last month waiting, right? I expect some reversal. Bro, there's nothing on cat. I'm not gonna take any trade on cat. Cat just, I'm not sure about the bias for cat. That's why I'm not interested to take any trade on cat today. We may some like a reversal from here, but I'm not sure. I think, uh, do we have CPI today? Let me just. Okay, there's GDP news for cat and core PC price index for USD. Okay, we have two high impact news today at 8:30 a.m. Okay, we have news at news for cat USD cat. So I think we may be gonna take this low and probably close the day right around here like this. But I'm not sure. That's why I'm not touching cat right now. Or we can just uh, go into this CB right there. So two things I'm looking at right now. I'm not sure. That's why I'm, I'm gonna stay away from it. But for Euro and GBP, for GBP, I'm very bearish on cable, and USD JPY I'm bullish. I think we're gonna take out this highs. I'm bullish from 1 hour big pair, and this is also aimed on BTC USD. Bro, we don't trade BTC USD. I'm only gonna do analysis on Forex pairs. I think it's been like almost 2 years I have touched crypto. I'm gonna stay out of that. DXO also did in 15 minutes. Did it? Did it, bro? Yeah, I'm bullish on DXY chat. I think it's gonna gravitate towards this volume imbalance on the daily. And if we close out that, then these are the two highs we should look for. These are the two high we need to watch. Price is gravitating towards that volume imbalance on daily. Would you not like trade BTC usually? Bro, I'm not a crypto guy. I don't see my strategy works on crypto. That's why I do not trade crypto. Like there's uh, no not clean, not any clean correlation like forex pairs or indices. We don't see any clean correlation in crypto. My strategy requires me to have at least one correlated pair. Okay, bro, this whole week we saw that the low of the day or the low of the day formed outside of the skill zone. That was sick, bro. Like yesterday, we formed the low for the day outside of the London close. Let's look at the previous day. Okay, on Tuesday, we also formed that low outside of the kill zone, and we're having some nice move out of those kill zones right here. This week was, I won't say tough, but like 60-40%. Uh, what do, what do you say? Uh, uh, Man, that word's not coming to my mind. I also analyzed DXY and concluded that it would sweep those highs and trade into that bearish imbalance by citing efficiency. And efficiency. Right now, DXY is in a consolidation phase. That's why this week was a little bit tough to trade, but we were able to take some nice setup from Euro, I guess. Oh, yeah, Euro and USD JPY did give us some like nice setup. Yeah, do you think this one's gonna hit? What do you think? What do you think, chat? Regulate, why not trade future instead? Curious how you look at that. Bro, I've told you already, my strategy works on Forex indices, everything, but I find it like interesting to trade Forex pairs. And I also trade indices. It's not like that just I trade Forex pairs, but I do trade indices, but sometimes. Aussie, let's have a look at all. Okay, Aussie have taken out that high there. Let's just take this off. What do we see on New Zealand dollar? Alright, we are within this severe right here on the 4-hour chart, so we could uh, expect some bearish price delivery on Aussie. Also because it's Friday today, so we're gonna see some reversal. Probably we're gonna see some lower side delivery on Aussie gap. But I think you should stay out of Aussie. It's just like not in a clean direction right now. You see all this? These are like shitty price move. Let's look at. Okay, New Zealand dollar is also like not moving very well right now. Let it break this phase. Let both of these pair break that phase. Then if you want to take a trade, go for that. Really impressed with the equality of relationship. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it, bro. Bro, someone is here for gold. Bro, gold not listening to me, bro. Okay, we have taken out that high we marked like 2 days ago when we are like here. Yep, we did took out that high. I don't know what's gonna happen right now, but there's another high right here. I think we not gonna take that high today, but let's see what maybe we're gonna take out the London session high and the Asian sessions high. And if it moves further, then we're probably gonna take out that high right there also. But I'm not sure about the bias, but these are the two objectives for gold. Okay, let's go back to our chart right now. Why the fuck is it consolidating right now? Chat GU and EU is just stuck on that zone right there. Yeah, anything there. Okay, one or two things can have happen on cable. We can, I guess, we're gonna tap into this CB right there, then continue lower. This is my drawn liquidity on cable, and another scenario could be like, let me just show you that. Or we can just continue from here, maybe towards some SMT within this shaded box, that gray shaded box, and then continue lower. So these are the two scenarios I'm looking at for cable. And euro's not in a great position today. Range bound markets right now. It took out this low, failed to take out that high, so I think it's gonna go one more time below that low. And if we continue, if we close below this low right there, Chad, listen carefully. If we close right below this level, we're gonna continue lower and take out this low, the London session low. Yeah, Thursday's London session low, we're gonna take out that. If we close below that, let me just mark that up for you real quick. Trading drone like a drone mainly for problems. Bro, I do both. I have a personal account and also I think two or three prop firms account. Bro, I just shared gold view, bro. Go back in the stream, bro. My mic is doing very. There will be a soup of the level before the news, then upside erased. Bro, I kinda don't think euro gonna continue higher today. Right within this. I think it's gonna close right within her. Around here it's gonna close. When I think we're gonna take out that low and close her, and cable cable's gonna do like this. Cable's gonna take out that low, but euro won't take out that low, and the next week we're gonna continue upside. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see what's the news gonna do. But the news is we have the news for cat. That one is a high impact news for cat. And USD we have core PC news. So let's see. Do we have anything on here? Okay, I guess 1 hour left for the news to hit chat. USD cat can continue lower, maybe take out that low right there, this one. It can continue lower. When the news hit, it's gonna maybe take out that and continue higher. See chat, I'm not sure about the bias for USD cat. That's why I'm not gonna take any trade with that pair. PC USD. What is that? Bro, what is PC USD? What the fuck? Okay, I think you're talking about the news. Oh yeah. Sorry, my bad, bro. Yeah, we have the news for one high impact news for USD and another one for CAT. Check, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, then subscribe to the channel. We've hit 15K sub today, and thank you all for being a part of this community. And we're gonna go grow more, and we're definitely gonna make some more money. USD JPY is still hanging around there. Do we have anything right now? All right, it's not looking good right now. We have taken out this high on USD CAT, USD JPY, but we haven't taken out that high on USD yet. See that high right there? I want to see DXY take out that high also. If it fails, then it could fall right there. Let's see if we can anticipate a close below that or above that CB right there. This is pricing is yesterday market opening and today midnight opening is giving support. What the fuck? By the way, Chad, the 50% discount offer is still going on Atlas Fund that so yeah, if you wanna grab a challenge, go now, bro. It's the right time. You're gonna get 50% off right now. And I guess there's only like 40 users left. For, no, sorry, my mistake. 400 users left for that plus 50% off. So yeah, you wanna grab one, go and check it out. Hi, bro. Okay, on USD JPY, as soon as we take out this high right there, I'm confident about this high is also gonna be swept, and we're gonna close the day around here. About to high target equal lows. Equal lows. I just captured the sell move of EU. Which one are you talking about, bro? Are you talking about like this one? These are the two equal lows. Start moving. Euro is not even moving right now. And let's see cable. Are you moving on cable or not? Alright, cable is. Do we have anything on here? Nope, we have nothing on the 5 minute. Okay, there's almost 50 minutes, 45 minutes left for the news to hit chat. Mid to high target equals, yes. Price tend to manipulate 30 minutes before the PC before it moves to the other side. It happens during all the news chat. But I'm kind of like sure about the bias for cable today. Cable and Euro. Europe may be gonna consolidate, but cable I want to see it go down. I really want to see it go down and take out that low. And I don't know anything about USD CAT. I'm gonna leave it for today. Let's see USD shape. Smooth trade going. Chad, if we close above that CB right there, that's a good indication that price maybe gonna take out that high, those equal highs, and yeah, if we're lucky enough today, then we're gonna get a W from this trade. So just wait and see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's moving right now. Chad, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, just smash that subscribe button, bro. What are you even doing? You need to hit 20K before this year ends. Man, doing trade ESN and Q sometimes, bro, but I don't trade futures. I trade indices like index pairs. NAS 100, SPX 500. Those are the, and US 30 also. I'm not in the future category yet. I just don't wanna focus on too many things. That's why I'm only sticking with one market, and it's now Forex. Chad, go and join the Discord community. I think I'm gonna organize another giveaway for you guys very soon. So if you're not there, go and join the Discord server. Also, go and follow me on X. Let's get to 500 followers on X. Chat, let's get 100 likes on this stream. Just smash that like button, bro. If this live helps you, then yeah, just give a thumbs up to the stream, right? Okay, right now it's not moving at all. So what the fuck? Chat price not even moving right now. Have we taken out that high? No, we haven't taken out that high on the XY yet. Though we're respecting all the bullish periods on the XY. We respected that bullish order block there, and also this volume imbalance, and there is a small fair value gap right here. Yeah, bro. As far as I'm saying right now, it looks good to go higher from there. It should take out this high right now. All right, okay, bro. That's what I thought. Okay, if I don't see any setup within this range, I don't want to get in right around here. Just because I see some severe right here, I don't want to get in right there. I have some other things to consider, so I'm just gonna wait. If I don't see anything, then I'll probably leave it for today. Euro's not trying to go down, bro. What the fuck? Whatever, I'm not on Euro. Maybe Cat's gonna take out that low. Also could move low right here around. I don't think it's gonna go lower. Let's see the forecast numbers. Let's check the previous numbers for CAD news. July, August. Mm, I think CAD's gonna continue higher because most of the times of August we saw like the real-time numbers were lower than the forecast numbers on PCA news. No, that is not PCA news. What news was that? The GDP, GDP news. Most of the time, those were like negative. So if CAT goes lower, then USD CAT gonna go higher. But let's see. Bro, I have so many things. Not so many things. I have like I'm not gonna tell you what are those, but I have like one, two, three. I only have three things to take a trade to consider a good setup. When I see each of them, and then I'll just take the trade. Nice, bro. Nice. Chad, there's almost 37 minutes left for the news to hit, and it's stuck on this level almost for like 30, 45, almost 1 hour. It's stuck on this level. Just wait and see what's gonna happen on USDJPY. Okay, we're seeing some nice correction off of that. Okay, if price moves higher, then I'll probably take a partial around there, chat. That CB right there. When we take out that high, those relative equal highs and tap into that CB, I'll probably take 50% off of my trade. Did you completed ICT 2022 model? Bro, I've gone through all the ICT's videos and yep, I went through his 2022 model. Started 23. Okay, keep learning, bro, as long as you don't find your own model. Chat, give me a moment. I'll just make some coffee for me. So, yes, just wait a minute. Yo, chat, I'm back. So what do we see? What the fuck? Robert, I thought for 1 second it was Robert mowing. Chat, we're moving right now. Yeah, have we taken out that high on USD? All right, we are about to take out that high right there. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and yeah, go follow me on X. Soon I'll be doing another giveaway for the community members. Okay, the mic is in good place. Do we have anything on cable right now? So we have this small fair value gap right there. Okay, let's continue. I think I'll not take any trade today for the week up to two trades. One is L, one is W. I'll watch the price today. If that's your model, then you should do that. Okay, we're seeing some nice movement on USDJ right now, chat. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Okay, there's 25 minutes left for the news to hit. I want to see how price delivers through that CB right there on the 15-minute chart. If we close above that in the 15-minute chart, then we'll probably continue higher. Maybe when the news hits, we're gonna take out those equal highs up there. All right, nice. We're up. right, nice. We see some nice move right now on USD Chad, what do you think? Are we gonna hit this or are we gonna miss this trade? Trade for a living, bro. What is that? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Yeah, bro, W, bro. If we hit that trade, that's a W for today. And this is the first trade for today for me. Who will? Chad, are you guys long on USD JPY or short? We have taken out that high on DXY right there. Now to see if we continue higher from there or let's see. So we have taken out this low right there. Damn, bro. Cable is aggressive today. Traded USD JPY. Bro, they are correlated in the same direction, bro. If the pair starts with DXY, I mean USD, then you're gonna find those pairs continue in the same directions most of the time. I kind of think USD CAT probably gonna take out that low, or if not, then we're gonna continue higher from, I guess, from the discount zone right around here. We're gonna continue. We have a fair value gap right there. Do we have anything on the 30-minute chart? Okay, all right. Or it could just go lower because we have a high impact news for today. JPY city zones are same as EU or GU. Yes, bro. All the kill zones for Forex are same. There's some difference with the Forex market and the indices markets. Indices and futures market. Everything else is same. All right. We see some nice close right there. Let me just move this to the right. To see that closed right there. Now I want to see this kind of how this plays out. Yep. I think we're gonna hit the first one right there. Chad, 20 minutes left for the news to hit. What the fuck? I think I'm gonna put the mic right here. Now I'm just gonna let the price do its thing and just wait. Let's see if we get a win. Let me just relax a bit. All right. I think we're gonna move higher from there. I'm like 70% sure about this spread. 70 to 80% sure. No, bro, I'm not Indian. Why do you guys keep saying I'm Indian? Just because I'm brown, does it mean, bro, I'm Indian? Okay, 18 minutes left for the news to hit chat. Bro, why is your stop loss is big in every trade? Bro, have you seen my profit targets yet? I'm an intraday trader, and most of the time I trade like on I target like hourly and 4 hour liquidity pools. So my risk reward is high, bro. It's a 3 hour trade and almost 100 pips on this trade. I used to trade like 1 minute short before, but I stopped trading that lower time frame. I can tell you the exact reason, but you'll find out soon. Why the Euro USD price action is so choppy today, London session you review? Well, I'm not putting my hand on Euro USD. I told you when I started the stream. I'm not sure about the this setup right here, but I kind of think like it's gonna take out either this low and probably if you measure the pip from this within the like this is the dealing range from for me if we gonna continue higher and take out this low highs. So as we have a news for the day, so maybe it's gonna take out this low and probably gonna continue higher from this level right there. Or if I'm wrong, then it will probably continue higher from there also. So I'm not sure about the price delivery right there, so that's why I'm waiting to say something on euro. Okay, what's cable doing? Cable just tap into that shaded box right there. I'm gonna see if we can find some SMTs with DXY. What time is it? Okay, we have like 15 minutes left for the news. Uh, I am a day trader, bro, but like I don't like to trade uh, less than 5 minute chart. I do all my analysis on like monthly, weekly, then daily time frames, then 4 hours and 1 hour. I target the 4 hour and 1 hour liquidity pools, like external range liquidity most of the time. Then I'll probably look for the uh, entry setup in the 5 minute on or the 15 minute charts. Sometimes I go in a trade like on 1 hour or 2 hour charts. Bro, if you are okay about like if you're if you know where price is heading to, then you don't mind having a bigger stop loss. It's not gonna stop you out, bro. Just give the price like some breathing space, bro. Give it a space for breathing. If I was like a short time frame trader, I would have taken a trade right within here and maybe target this low there and probably got out. But I love to trade higher time frames. Like if I enter right on this fair value gap, I mean right on this level, like suppose I'm long right here, okay, and like this is my setup right here. So I just got into that trade and just closed the chart. So when I'm doing my other things, I'm not worrying about the trade because it's gonna take a long time to take out that stop. Probably when I come back to my charts, I'll probably see what's gonna happen. If it's right around here, I'll probably think like it's gonna stop me out. Then I'll probably cut the trade. But if it was a like short time frame trade, then it's gonna cook me, bro. So yeah, those are the reasons why I don't like to trade short time frames. You have to be in front of the charts all the time. But I'm doing this live just to spend times with you guys. That's all. Let's check on our USD JPY trade. Okay, this is looking nice on the 15-minute charts. Now to see if we cross that high right there. Chat, 12 minutes left for the news to hit. Okay, what's Euro doing right now? Okay, Euro have taken out that low right there. Now we want to see a close below that low right there. How many prop seconds do you have and what are the account size? Bro, I trade 100K accounts, then probably to 125K and another one was is like 10K. Chat, if we see a close below this low, I think we're gonna take up this low right there. But this is a high resistance liquidity run, so that's why price is choppy right around here. We're in upward direction to take out some external range liquidity. So in that term, this is a internal range liquidity and high resistant liquidity pool. So yeah, that's why it's taking time to reach there. Chat, right now I wanna see this fair value gap keep price above that shaded box right there. I don't wanna see it comes all the way right here when the news hits. If it's a good setup, we wanna see it continues from there. How much time to take you pass your first prop account? Bro, I like just started trading prop firms account. Maybe it's like 2 months already, but I blew like 6 or 7 prop firms accounts. I think so. After that, I got funded, and I have a small personal account also, and I can't tell you the exact payout number. Let's just keep that as secret. But I make enough for to live, bro. Bro, within this leg, USD JPY have been respecting all the bullish period. So I'm kind of sure that USD JPY are gonna continue higher. Or if I'm unlucky today, I'm gonna get stopped out. I guess so. All right, we are seeing some nice move right now. Let's just see if this candle cross that high. Chad, give a thumbs up to the stream. Let's do like 50 likes in the stream. On this stream, I want like 50 likes. Dang, bro. Bro, I still kind of think USD CAD gonna take out that low right there. Because we have a SMT right there with DXY. It's probably gonna take out that low. Like a week. If if we wanna go upside, then we'll probably see a week right there, then go higher. I'm not sure for this setup right here. Like it's more like consolidating right now within this range. You see, it's more like consolidating right now. So I'm not gonna touch that for today. Do we see anything on cable today? All right. We have a small fair value gap right there. What the fuck? We have a small fair value gap right there. Let's just see. I think it's gonna go lower, and cable is moving aggressively today. We might not see any SMTs to take any setup, but I think it's gonna continue lower. Chat, hit that sub button, bro. Hit the sub button right now. And your chat, go check out Atlas Fund that there's still that 50% of going on right now. So if you wanna purchase a prop account, then just go grab one. It's like I guess $44 for $10,000 evaluation account. Yeah, it's cheap right now. And there's also like access accounts for where you pay like $10 to for like 100K or whatever account size you wanna trade. And if you pass that account, then uh, you can pay the evaluation fees to take that account. when you pass the, if you don't pass the account, you don't have to give any money to them. So yeah, there's some nice offers going on Atlas Funded. And by the way, Chad, if you wanna, if you're trying to find a new broker, check out markets for you. They are in the industry for like 18 years, 18 plus years right now. And if you register through my link in the description, you'll get a 50% deposit bonus. All right, euros going lower. Chad, look, keep your eyes on this right now. Keep your eyes on this level right there. If I'm right, then we're gonna take out that low. I'm okay to be wrong, but let's see. So above chat. All right, USD cat. Okay, 15 seconds left for the news to hit chat. What do you think? Are we gonna rip those high off? Do you have anything on the higher time frame? I'm not sure about it. Let's just see it play. Okay, we've hit 8:30 mark. Is there anything happening? What the fuck? USD cat continuing higher. Bro, damn, bro. Damn, we got there one more time. I think I'm gonna take a L today. We'll just wait and see. Let's see, chat, if I'm gonna take a L today. Are you guys up or down right now, chat? Damn, bro. It didn't even take out that low. What the fuck? Alright, I think it's gonna go right around here. Probably. And there's some highs right around here. Right there. How much point was that? Damn, bro, it was almost like 37 points. Whatever. What the fuck? Okay. The PC news was like about the same of the forecast number. Yeah, it was almost 0.3%. The forecast was also 0.3%, and for cat it was negative 0.1%. That's why cat USD cat is moving like crazy. I think this trade gonna take a long time. I'll probably let it run over the weekend. All right. See, nice move right there. Let's just be patient. Try to sub up right now, and yeah, go join the Discord server, and yeah, check out Atlas Funded. The 50% of offer is still going. You can get a 10K account with like 44 bucks. We have another news at 10 a.m. So yeah, it's about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, 1.5 hour for the other news. We tap into that bullish breaker right there, chat. We tap into that bullish breaker right there. Now I want to see price like go higher right there. Probably take another, uh, create another swing low within that fair value gap right there, and then probably continue. Let's just wait and see. I could be wrong. Chat, are you guys up or down right now? Put it in the chat. How much are you up or down right now? Or do you see anything on table? Okay, we have taken out the high right there. Okay, if this candle doesn't cross that high right there and close below that fair value gap, I'm gonna go short on that. But I'm gonna see how it closed right now. It's not looking good, bro. Dang. What the fuck? Whatever. Cat, cable should close below that fair value gap if we meant to go lower today, and should not cross that high right there. That's a red zone for us. And if it's gonna take out that high, then the last safety net for us to take a trade is that fair value gap right there. That was on 30 minute, yeah, no, 1 hour chart. Okay, that CB right there was on 1 hour time frame. Yep, that's our last zone, safety zone, you could say. We have inversion fair value gap right there. What's your doing right now? Bro, I think you are gonna continue lower from there. Maybe like this. But this one is a risky setup, chat. I'm telling you one more time, it's a risky trade. This one is a risky trade. This right here is a risky trade, but if it plays out, oh, then yeah, we're good to go. Wait and see if we can form a swing high on cable. Just wait and see if we can form a swing high on cable, chat. The price should. What the fuck? Right now, I want to see close below that fair value gap right there. There's one thing that can come true. There's one thing that can come true. I used the JPY so far looking good. I'm gonna hold this straight. Either I'm gonna get stopped out or gonna get a W. One of those two things gonna happen. But this scenario is very nice right now because we have a SMT DXY on JPY, right? This and that SMT formed within that breaker, that bullish breaker right there. So yeah, right now I wanna see price moves higher, bro. Yep, just mark that bullish breaker on nice. Right, capture $7 in gold trade 9. $7, bro. What's your account size, bro? Are you trading a micro account? This shit should go move higher right now. JPI should move higher right now. We closed one more time within that consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. Damn, nice. We're moving. Let's look at cable. Chat, if you want a short cable, then wait for price to close below that fair value gap. And we'll probably get a 1:2 toward rate. All right, euros looking good so far. I want to see a close below that low, below that this line right here. I want to see a close below that low and maybe a clean price leg right around here. Then we'll probably tap into a fair value and it will give us one more opportunity to get in. If I'm right about the price delivery. All right, right. We haven't taken out that low yet. Have we taken out? Nope. Nope. Yeah. Dang, bro. Okay, this trade is going well right now. Just hit this, bro. I wanna take 50% off of the trade right now. 1200 live account. Okay, nice, bro. If you are okay with that, then that's nice, bro. Whatever you need, take it out of the market. Dang, bro. This JBI is going crazy today. I kind of think like we're gonna hit this fair value gap, inversion fair value gap order blocks, breaker blocks, and okay, institutional order pro entry deal enough to be profitable as a model. What the fuck, bro? Why didn't you just tap all of them? You missed some of them, bro. No, bro. Not gonna lie, you don't need any of them. You just need to find out uh, the bias. I mean, where's the liquidity and where's price gonna go? If you if you can figure out that one thing, then you can use only fair value gap or either order blocks or either inversion fair value gaps, or that you could be using like breaker blocks. Anything you will use, if you find the direction price is going, then you can get a W, bro. It doesn't matter about the it. Why are you keep running after PDRS, bro? I don't get it. I just personally use one PDRS for my personal trades. I'm doing all this just to give you the explanation why price is moving from where to where. I'm not putting all my PDRs into the charts right now. Like one PDRs, but there are multiple within a leg. That's my secret. I'm gonna keep it to me. But I'm doing all this to just to explain the price delivery to you. So yeah, you don't need all of those PDRs, bro. Just pick one, and the main thing you're gonna focus is identify where's the liquidity pools are and where's price gonna go. That's it, bro. It's that simple, but it's gonna take a lot of time to figure out that. Not like the bias, bro. We can't predict the bias for the day, but we wanna know like where's price heading to? Like what is the liquidity pool? Are we gonna take sell side today or are we gonna take like buy side today? That's the main thing. Bias is not the same thing as finding liquidity, bro. Bias could be anything. Bias could be like uh, you're predicting like tomorrow's move. That's not gonna happen. You can predict tomorrow's move. You just need to adapt with the market deliveries, bro. Like when we were right here, suppose we were right around here. If you know that price is gonna go right above that high, if you take a trade right here, it was a W. If you take a trade right there, that was a win too. So the main thing you need to figure out is where's price heading, right? If you don't know where's price heading from here, you considered this as a fair value gap and took a short position right there. You got cooked right there, right? So yeah, the main thing is to find where's price going. Just put enough time and stick to this. You'll figure out that it took me like almost 3 years to figure out that. And I did like straight 19 weeks journaling. Chat, what the fuck should be moving higher? I told you, I think we're gonna take more time to deliver this, but I guess we're gonna take out this high at least, this relative equal highs today, and probably leave this for next week. All right, GBP just close below that fair value gap. Do you have anything? Damn. Okay, that's not good. That's not good, bro. Maybe close to then like 5 minutes of the gap. What about euro? Euro hasn't closed below that low yet. I told you to take this trade, but it's a risky one. It's up to you, chat. Yeah, whether you're gonna take this one or not. Don't blame me, but I think it's gonna go there. If not, at least you can take a one or trade right there. Right below that low, it's almost like 1.2 or trade right there. Yeah, it's moving, chat. And GU, okay, I told you I'm gonna enter short when it close below that low fair value gap. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, we're testing that fair value gap right there, that inversion fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. Then, okay, I want to see a close below that high right now. We have swept that high, but we haven't closed above that right now. I want to see a close. Yeah, we are moving. Let's see. I think Geo's not gonna deliver to that low. It's probably gonna go like around here. And let's look at you. Let's look at this trade right here. Let's see if we're gonna hit this or not. Chat, put some Davis in the chat right now. Dang, bro. We haven't taken out any low right there. I wanna see cable take out this low real quick. If we go one more time there, then we're cooked on this trade too. Have we taken a high? No. Chat, if we go one more time through that fair value gap, that CB right there, we're cooked on this trade. Let's just wait and see. Chat, let's just observe price, right? Give me like 5 minutes. I'm gonna be back. Right, it went through that fair value gap one more time. Now I wanna observe it. Okay, if this candle close right around here, we gonna continue lower on euro. I wanna see how this candle close. Let's put on the, all right. Maybe we're gonna form a BC right there. If we see a BC right there, we can use that as an inversion. If we think price gonna continue lower from there, let's just hope it falls from there. Euros kinda look like it wanna go lower from there. Dang, bro. Okay, we're moving on. If we can went one more time within that fair value gap, that CB right there on the 15-minute chart. Let's see if it can hold price right there. Chat, are you guys up or down right now, or you haven't taken any trade? Chat, this candle should not cross that high right there, the previous candle's high. It should not cross that high. If it cross that, we're cooked on the spread. I'm in two position right now. Dot 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 dot. Check, give a thumbs up to the stream, bro. If you have come through this far, then yeah, give a thumbs up to the stream and yeah, hit that sub button, chat. We need to hit 20K before this year ends. Sub up, chat. Sub up. Damn, GU is just hanging around there. Oh, it's not looking good right now. Okay, we closed that right there. Now this candle is gonna decide whether it's gonna continue higher or lower. Damn, bro. I wanna see a swing high forms around here. Okay, took out that high. Don't need to put that marker on there. Okay, we're done on this spread. Let's look at GU. You should move lower, chat. Do we have anything on the hourly chart? Taken out that high right there. Okay, we haven't taken out any high on the TXY. And euro also didn't check out the low. Chat, this also could be a reversal. We're just about to hit that stop right there on this spread. I'm just gonna let it run. Let's see. I think I'm gonna get stop out on euro. Okay, GX cat is falling right now. Where are we? There's nothing I see on USD cat. Euro just playing with us. Chat, Euro's playing with us right now. So 1 hour left for the news, 10 a.m. news. I have 1 hour left for the 10 a.m. news, chat. It's a medium impact news. We're not gonna see so much volatility during that news. We have taken out that high right there on euro. Right there we have taken out that high. Have we taken out any high on cable? No. Bro, as far as I'm seeing euro, it's looking good for this setup still. I don't know why it's not moving lower. Okay, if we cross one more time below that swing low, just prompt now, I think we're gonna continue lower. If we see a close that swing low, below that swing low. If we push one more time high, then we're gonna get stopped out, chat. Chat, are you guys in any trade right now? Or are you down or up on your trade? Okay, man, USD JPY is just hanging around there, not doing much. Okay, GU is still going. See, that's why I always have a bigger stop loss. If my stop loss was right around there, was cooked right now. Let's see this BC right there. I wanna see price close below that chat. All right, let's use that as an inversion because I'm bearish. What's euro doing? Okay, euro should close below that swing low right there. That swing low. Let me just move this to right. That swing low you see right there, it should close below that. This one right there. All right. Okay, we are almost break even on cable. Now I want to see a close. Bro, it's just now USD JPY is not clean right now. What do we see on 15-minute shorts? It's taking support off of that 15-minute CB right there. It at least should take out this high right there, relative equal highs. Should take out this highs. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, chat. Right now, give a thumbs up to the stream and yeah, sub up. Chat, go and check out Atlas Funded. The 50% off is still going on. There's almost 400 users left. So yeah, it's now time for you to take a funded challenge. Let's just take this off right real quick. If we hit this high right there, this trade gonna be like one or trade. If we hit this level right there, those relative equal highs, it's gonna be a one or trade. We're up, but I wanna see push, bro. I wanna see it push. Damn, bro, this cat is okay. We're up on GU trade. Let's just move this like around here. How much? Let's see we can pull up a two-hour trade from this. All right, euros also moving. We haven't seen any close below that low yet. Nice close below that low. We haven't seen that yet. I'm still waiting for that close. If it closes below that low right there, that's a indication that price can continue lower. Damn, bro, we again closed like almost close to it. What the fuck? Cable should continue lower right now. We closed below that BC right there, so now this becomes a balanced price range. We don't want to see price again close above that. If I see price like go again through that and close around here, I'm gonna cut this straight off. This is a balanced price range for me. Let me just mark that. Okay, put that balanced price range. Let's see chat if we gonna hit this or take L. I'm kind of confused about euro right now. Okay, GU need to take out that low. Needs to take out that low right there. Mystic cat. Okay, this doesn't look good for me. Why are we still hanging around that same level, bro? So let's just look at cable. Okay, tapped into that balance price range. Let's see how it reacts off of that. Okay, give a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, if you're new here, then sub up real quick, chat. Damn, that doesn't look good. I wanna see some rejection off of that balanced price range. Yeah, this right here went one more time into that severe right there. We have a fair value price. And that's not. It's, is there anything on the 3-minute chart? Okay, there is a fair value gap on 3-minute chart. We have a CV on 3-minute chart. What do you think, Chad? Is price gonna continue higher from here? Or we gonna get a win from this? I wanna see price reject off of that uh, balanced price range there. Chad, if we close one more time above that, I'm gonna cut this trade off. That would be the indication price not gonna go lower, and we probably gonna continue higher from there, and maybe close within this range, within this dealing range. Let me show you. Okay, there's a dealing range right there. We could close within that range for the day. So yeah, I don't want to see price close above that balanced price range. All right, it's not looking good right now. But we tapped into that 15-minute, sorry, 5-minute CB right there. Damn, bro, it's continuing higher right there. I think I'm gonna cut the trade off. Do not close out that. 2 minutes left for that candle to close. Let's wait and see how it closes. I think Euro's gonna stop out. This trade's gonna go. This one is L trade. L trade. This trade is L for us. We should have continued lower the second time when we closed below that CB right there. So yeah, Euro's not willing to go down today. We have to admit that, chat. Just take it off and let it move. I'm not gonna touch Euro for today, chat. Okay, I think it's gonna. This one's gonna stop us too. So we have a SMT right here. What we didn't expect, right in there with DXY. Okay, 50 seconds left for the candle close. I want to see how it closed, then I'll take that trade off. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. We're almost streaming like 2 hours now. And we're gonna meet like next Monday. Let's just wait for this trade and we'll wrap up the stream. With 15 seconds left for the candle closure. Let's check the 1 minute chart. Chat, I'm gonna cut this trade off. Yep. Even if it continues lower, I don't care anymore. And I'll probably let this trade run. I'm gonna use the JPY trade run overnight and let's see how it does. We are up on this trade, almost like we're close, almost like 1 hour trade. We haven't taken out that relative equal highs we were talking about. But yeah, I'm still confident about this trade right here. Damn, bro, did you reject it from that? What the fuck? Okay, we created an SMT with Euro right now. Is there anything? Yeah. There's also SMT with TXY right here. Yep. Have we created an single? Yep. Chat. I kind of think like it's gonna go lower right now, but I'm not gonna get into this one more time. But if you wanna take a trade, then this could be a short setup right there. It's up to you, chat. But it's a risky one. I'm saying that again, it's a risky trade. All right, chat. I think we're done for the day, and let's call it a day, chat. We didn't move too much on our USD JPY trade, though we're up, but we haven't moved like significantly on this trade. I will hold this trade and yeah, post the result on my Discord server. Yeah, so I'll see you next week, chat. Till then, have a great weekend.